Hello, welcome to another full-length instructional recipe for the Faceless Chef UK. Tonight's recipe is another take on a British classic, the creamiest fish pie you will ever taste. Mixed fish coated in a thick bechamel style sauce with eggs, peas, sweet corn, seasoned with parsley, dill and parmesan. Topped with a beautifully smooth fluffy mashed potato, seasoned once more with parmesan. Enjoy the recipe and ensure you carefully watch to the end of the video to ensure you catch all ingredients and instructions. We start by boiling 3 eggs in a pan. These will be brought to a boil and cooked for at least 10 minutes to ensure hard boiled. We then rinse in cold water, deshell and chop roughly before being reserved for later. For our topping, we peel, cube and rinse white potatoes before bringing these to a boil in salted water and cooking until a knife goes through a single cube with ease. These are then steam dried before adding butter and mashing together. You may wish to use a rice to ensure the mash is lump free and beautifully smooth. I was a little short on time, so went straight for the masher instead. For the filling, we melt around 30 grams of unsalted butter in a pan before gently frying 4 thinly sliced spring onions. Generally, you want 1 tablespoon of flour per 10 grams of butter, so to this we add 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Continuously stirring and cooking the flour out, which is when the smell of the flour is gone from the mixture. We then slowly add milk, continuously whisking to avoid the sauce catching on the base of the pan, and we continue to add small amounts of milk until we get our desired consistency. As the fish we are adding contains quite a lot of liquid, we can allow this sauce to be quite thick to start. We then add 400 grams of mixed fish. A standard frozen supermarket fish pie mix is perfectly fine here, and we stir this through before adding our chopped eggs from earlier, a generous handful of frozen peas and sweet corn, and generous handfuls of chopped dill and parsley. We then stir this whilst cooking on a low heat for around 8 minutes. You may wish to add, like me, 2 tablespoons or so of parmesan into the sauce mixture to give a delicious added flavour. We taste for seasoning, then remove from heat. We place this mixture in a roasting dish before topping with the mash from earlier and sprinkling with more parmesan cheese. We place this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for around 30 minutes or until the mash is golden and crisp on top. We can serve this with an accompaniment of choice. For our meal we chose the tender stem broccoli, and there you have it, a beautifully rich, creamy fish pie perfect for any family meal. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button or hit the notification button to see more weekly videos. Join us on our journey to 1,000 subscribers. Stay healthy and see you next episode.